Hello everyone. Now today I am going to start active and passive voice part 3. In this part I will teach you how to convert present perfect, past perfect and future perfect tenses from active to passive. So let's start with present perfect tense. Formula is there on the screen, you can see it. Object, then has been or have been, then verb third form, then by and then subject. Example, he has filled his form. What is the object here? His form. So his form will come at first place. Then has been or have been. His form is singular, so we will use has been. After that, verb third form, which is already given, filled. Then by and then subject. What is subject here? He. So it will be converted into him according to pronoun changes. Answer, his form has been filled by him. Sentence number 2. The boys have played the match. Same formula. What is object here? The match. So it will come at first place. Then has been or have been. Again singular, so we will use has been. Then verb third form. What is verb third form here? Played, which is already given. Then by and then subject. What is subject? The boys. So it will come at last. What will be the answer now? The match has been played by the boys. Now past perfect tense. Formula, object plus had been plus verb third form plus by and then subject. Sentence, Arun had eaten the mangoes. Object, the mangoes. Then had been, then verb third form, eaten, then by and then subject. Subject is Arun. So what will be the answer now? Answer will be the mangoes had been eaten by Arun. Sentence number 2. We had solved all the sums. What is object here? All the sums. So it will come at first place. Then had been, then verb third form, which is solved, then by and then subject. Subject is we. It will be converted into us according to pronoun changes. So answer will be all the sums had been solved by us. Students, by mistake in the formula here I have written has been or have been. Please, it will be had been only. Correct it. Future perfect tense. Formula, object plus will or shall plus have been plus verb third form plus by and then subject. Example, he will have eaten bread. What is object here? Bread. So bread will come at first place. Then will or shall, will. Then have been. Then verb third form, which is eaten. Then by and then subject. Subject is he. It will be converted into him. So answer will be bread will have been eaten by him. Sentence number 2. We shall have taught you. What is object here? You. It will come at first place. Then will or shall, will. Then have been. Then verb third form, which is taught. Then by and then subject. What is subject here? We. It will be converted into us. So now the answer will be you will have been taught by us. Now I'll take you through some exercise. So here I have given question also and answers also. Let's see it. First, I have received her letter. Present perfect. Her letter has been received by me. Second, you had finished your work. Past perfect. Your work had been finished by you. Third, I shall have read a book. Future perfect. A book will have been read by me. He had stolen my watch. Past perfect. My watch had been stolen by him. We have invited them for the party. They have been invited for the party by us.